today we would like to show you our little project, which can be called Gate of Adventure or Carpe Diem. We couldn't choose the name, so let my team introduce it for you.
Hello, we are excited to be here. My name is Ákos, our team leader was Balázs. We have Adam, Judith, Linda, and Balázs again. We were trying to tackle the problem that generally traveling from A to B sucks. It's boring, it's just a waste of time, you don't enjoy it, and there is no surprise effect. And during the research phase, we found out that to enjoy something and to get the excitement or the feeling of excitement, it needs to have the surprise effect. I would like to emphasize the surprise effect because it's very important and it has to come from some kind of offline experience. So touching something, seeing something, meeting people and stuff like that. And our setting is based in around 7 years in advance when Google Glass is affordable and everybody is using Google Glass. So it will be our primary interface for today's journey. And we're collecting a lot of data. But first of all, when you start the experience, you register for the service and you kind of create your bucket list within the city and the experiences you would like to enjoy as long as you live. And we collect data from about your friends using social networks, pictures, weather data, Google Maps, your location, your likes and dislikes, Foursquare, Twitter, and it's of course built on SAP HANA. So we're heavily relying on the speed and reliability of SAP HANA. I cannot emphasize this strong enough. Really, I mean, we are working with a lot of data. And so we're using Google Glass, and it's an application for Google Glass. So let the journey begin.
Thank you. Let's...
Nem hagyd föl, nehogy eltépjed.
Csak szerettem volna tartani. I wanted to hold
Let's
this.
move it back so that people there can see as well. Okay, so let's say that you are in a town. It can be Budapest, it can be any town, but let's say you have a destination to go to. And you are in the medieval center. And your destination, just put it there. Your destination is somewhere there. You have plenty of time. And so you have a Google Glass application. It is integrated with Google Now. I don't know if you know Google Now, but what Google Now does is that it knows your commuting habits and it knows your calendar. So it knows that you have to be there in 20 minutes, you have plenty of time, and you will reach the destination anyway. So, instead of going directly, why not go to some adventure? You know, you could either pass here, just go to your place, leave, arrive 10 minutes earlier, smoke a cigarette perhaps before the meeting, chewing gum, whatever, or you could take an adventure. You will reach the same place, the adventure itself will take you 20 minutes. It depends on the type of adventure, whether it needs extra time or it's actually the same time, just a different route. So, you take it or leave it. Let's say you take the experience. We don't tell you what it is because it's a surprise, but when you take it, you will see an augmented reality place. You will see the same place, but overlaid how it looked like in 1798. End of the Baroque ages. You have to follow the steps and you will see an otherwise nice surrounding anyway, but completed with a digital reconstruction of how it looked like 200 years ago. So, that's one of your options. Let's see the other one. Other option. Yeah. You are to take the bus. Normally you take bus number 5, that goes to the same bus stop as bus number 11. And you woke up earlier, you couldn't sleep, and you're just hungry for some adventure. You know, why not take the other bus? Route of surprises. It will be a bit longer route, 10 minutes longer, but it will bring you to places you haven't been for years. So, you take this route, take the other bus, and then as you go by, one moment you will see that you haven't seen this building for years. Who built it? When was it built? It's really nice building. So you get an overlay that this building was built long ago by Abel himself, perhaps. Or another way, you also go on the bus, and then you know what? Why not take us now? It will take 30 minutes. We will bring you back to your road in 30 minutes. By the way, we are showing this way because, so this all happens on your Google Earth. Of course, we can't handle Google Earth for any one of you. This is not Google I/O, unfortunately. But I hope this widescreen version, HD version, can help you well imagine that this is only you see this. So, you take off the bus, next stop. And what you see here is the son of Johnny Cash playing just in a nearby cafe. So this is an adventure as well, an event which isn't repeating. This is something which you can see once in a lifetime, perhaps. So, or let's say you are just passing by either by tram or by walking. Vixen has Happy Theatre, I don't know. So this is a famous theatre in Budapest. So, why did you go in? Yeah, so the stairs are, why didn't you just move the stairs? Want to see Ivan Fenyu? He's just having, sorry. He's just having the last, rehearsal, thank you. The last rehearsals, final rehearsals of his new scene, and it's free to enter. Why not? Or take up the bus, and you can meet your friends. Actually, just check into the cafe. Why not meet them?
I will disturb.
So, there are endless possibilities, but the main elements are augmented reality, knowing where you have to go, where you have to arrive and when, and element of surprise. So
Surprise!
yeah, so this is how we try to bring you experiences, this is how we want to bring you how commuting could be different, could be a bit of fun every single day, so that you remember, if not even if you're in your whole life, perhaps some moments you will, some you're not, at the evening you have something to talk about. Thank you very much.